Hello friends, in this video I will show how to move taskbar to left side in Windows 11 like this. So guys, this is a very unique way to show your taskbar in this left side panel. So firstly open any web browser, and after that you have to visit one website. I will give link in description. So visit this website page, and here download and install this epstatus.exe file. So once you download and install successfully in your Windows 11, right click on this taskbar, then properties, and here in taskbar you have to select here and select location where you want to show your taskbar, like left side. Similarly, you can show in the top, as we can see here now in the top side, and in the right side. Select it and click on restart file explorer. Every time you have to click on restart, so these changes will take effect. But make sure guys, before you do any change, before you do any changes in your Windows, firstly create a restore point. So to create a restore point, you have to search here, create restore point, this one. Now here click on system protection and create, give any name. RP334. This is for my remember. You can type any name here, then click on create. So before you make these changes and settings and install this software, firstly create a restore point. So if something went wrong, so you can back up your Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and share, like and subscribe this channel.